Dear students, I am Dr. Sasikant Tamrakar from Bharati College of Engineering and Technology. I am teaching fluid machinery in BE 5th semester. Today we will solve one numerical. The length and diameter of suction pipe of a single acting reciprocating pump are 5 meter and 10 centimeter respectively. The pump has a plunger of 15 diameter 15 centimeter and a stroke length of 35 centimeter. The center of pump is 3 meter above water surface in the pump. The atmospheric pressure head is 10.3 meter of water and pump is running at 35 rpm. Determine first the pressure head due to acceleration at beginning of suction stroke. Second, maximum pressure head due to acceleration. And third, pressure head in the cylinder at the beginning and end of the stroke. Here the data given are length of suction pipe LS is given 5 meter, diameter of suction pipe DS is given 10 centimeter equal to 0.1 meter. So area AS, area of suction equal to pi by 4 ds square. This is pi by 4.1 square, that is equal to 0.00784 meter square. Diameter of plunger is given 15 centimeter equal to 0.15 meter. So area of plunger equal to pi by 4 d square, pi by 4.15 square equal to 0.01767 meter square. Stroke length is given 35 centimeter equal to 0.35 meter. Crank radius, so crank radius, that is R equal to L by 2, that is 0.35 by 2 equal to 0.175 meter is the crank radius. Suction head HS is equal to 3 meter. Atmospheric pressure head H, atmospheric equal to 10.3 meter of water Speed of pump is given N equal to 35 rpm. 35 rpm. Angular speed of crank is given by omega equal to pi 2 pi n by 60. So this is 2 pi into 35 by 60. So this omega equal to 3.65 radian per second. radian per second. Now we have to calculate the pressure head due to acceleration in suction pipe, and it is given by HES equal to LS by G into A by AS into omega square R cos theta, omega square R cos theta. Now putting the values for the theta equal to 0, that is beginning of stroke. At the beginning of stroke, theta equal to 0, so cos theta equal to 1, cos theta equal to 1, and putting all values, HAS equal to LS is 5 meter by 9.81 G, then area is 0.1767 by this area 0.00784 into omega is 3.665 square into R is 0.175 into 1. So this value of HAS pressure head due to acceleration is 2.695 meter. 695 meter HAS. Now, second, maximum pressure head due to acceleration in suction pipe is given by HAS max is equal to LS by G into A by AS omega square R, that is equal to, that value comes 2.695 meter. This is the maximum pressure head due to acceleration in suction pipe. HAS max. Now we have to calculate pressure head in cylinder at the beginning of suction stroke is equal to HS plus HAS, that is equal to 3 plus 2.695, that is equal to 5.695 meter. This pressure head in cylinder is below atmospheric pressure head. So absolute pressure in the cylinder at the beginning of suction stroke, absolute pressure equal to atmospheric pressure minus atmospheric pressure minus 5.695. So this is 10.3 minus 5.695. This value comes 4.60 5 meter of water absolute. Water, this is absolute. Now, similarly, pressure in cylinder at the end of suction stroke, at the end of suction stroke, is HS minus HAS, HS minus HAS. So putting the values here, 3 minus 2.695. So this comes 0.05 meter, 0.05 meter below atmospheric pressure head. That is below atmospheric pressure head. That is 10.3 minus 0.305 equal to 9.995 meter. 9.995 meter of water absolute, of water absolute. Next, in the above problem, the length and diameter of delivery pipe are 30 meter and 10 centimeter respectively, and water is delivered by pump to a tank which is 20 meter above the center of the pump. Determine pressure head due to acceleration at the beginning of delivery stroke. Second, pressure head in the cylinder at the beginning of delivery stroke, and pressure head in the cylinder at the end of delivery stroke. Here the data given are: length of delivery pipe is given 30 meter, diameter of delivery pipe is given 10 centimeter equal to 0.1 meter, and area of delivery pipe, so area of delivery pipe equal to pi by 4 dd square equal to pi by 4.1 square. So this area comes 0.007854 meter square. Diameter of plunger is given 15 centimeter equal to 0.15 meter. So area of plunger equal to pi by 4 a square d square square. So this area is 0.01767 meter square. Stroke length is given 35 meter, 35 centimeter equal to 0.35 meter. Crank radius is given L by 2 equal to 0.35 by 2 equal to 175 meter. Delivery head HD is given 20 meter. Speed of pump N is given 35 RPM. So omega equal to 2 pi n by 60 equal to 2 pi into 35 by 60 equal to 3.665 radian per second. Radian per second is the value of omega. Now we have to calculate first pressure head due to acceleration in the delivery pipe HAD equal to LD by G into A by AS, A by AD, sorry, this is A by AD into omega square R cos theta, omega square R cos theta. Here at the beginning of delivery stroke theta equal to 0, so cos theta equal to 1. So the pressure head, here putting the values, this LD is the 30 by 9.81 into area is 0.01767 by this area is 80 is 0.00784 into omega square, that is 3.665 square into n, omega square R cos theta. R is 0.175 and cos theta is 1. So here the value of HAD is equal to 16.17 meter. Second, from this figure it has been shown effect of acceleration on indicator diagram. Here this is the suction stroke, this is delivery stroke, this is H atmospheric, this is HAD, this total is head delivery, this is suction head, this is HAS, this is HAD, this is HAS. Actually this diagram should be in this type pattern, but due to this increasing suction, this is changed. Here this is the diagram for theta equal to 0, this is theta equal to 90, and this last is theta equal to 180 degree. So here the pressure head is centered at the beginning of delivery stroke, that is FC dash equal to FC plus CC dash equal to HD plus HAD. This is FC dash equal to FC plus CC dash equal to HD plus HD plus HAD. HAD, meter of water above atmospheric head. So putting the values, this is 20 plus 16.17 equal to 36.17 meter of water above atmospheric pressure. So this comes 36.1617 meter plus atmospheric pressure head plus atmospheric pressure head. So that is equal to 36.17 plus 10.3 meter equal to 46.47 meter of water. Meter, this meter absolute, this meter absolute. Next, the pressure head in cylinder at the end of delivery stroke. Pressure head at the end of delivery stroke. Delivery stroke. So this is ED dash, this ED dash, that is equal to HD minus HAD equal to ED dash equal to ED minus D dash, ED minus D dash, that is equal to HD minus HAD. So putting the values here, this is 20 minus 16.17 equal to 3.83 meter of water above atmosphere, that is equal to 3.83 plus 10.3 equal to 14.13 meter. 14.13 meter. So you have to solve this similar type of questions that have been asked in the examination number of times, and you have to practice the questions. Thank you.